If your Disney MagicBand Plus isn't charging, there are a few quick things that you can try. First thing to do is to make sure that the MagicBand is properly attached to the charging clip. So right here you can see, here's the clip. Just make sure that it's snug and it's on there real good. Next, check the USB connection. Try unplugging the charger and plugging it back in, or connect it to a different USB adapter or USB port. Sometimes just changing up your adapter will get it working again. You'll also want to check the charging contacts to both the MagicBand and the charger. If you notice any dirt or debris, gently clean the contacts with a soft, dry cloth. Next, if it still won't charge, just leave the MagicBand connected to the charger for at least 30 minutes, especially if the battery is completely drained. I had this one plugged in for about an hour and then it started lighting up. So sometimes it just takes a little bit of patience. Leave them plugged in for about half a day. Finally, if none of these steps work, try using another MagicBand charger if you have one available. This will help determine whether the problem is the band itself or the charging cable. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching, guys.